So obviously I have a lot planned for the car coming up. Honestly, I don't even know how many things are on this list, but there's at least 20 different things. I've started to get a few different parts for the car, and I figured it was time to make more of a formal list of everything that's going on with the car. That way I can keep track of stuff, and that way you guys can see everything that's going on and all the plans with the car. I'm not really sure what exactly you would call this kind of build. I mean, there's tons and tons of different kind of builds out there, but more or less I really want to keep the functionality of this car and still be able to use it as my daily driver, but I still want to be able to take it to, like, you know, like your weekend cars and coffee, and maybe even a car show here and there, even the occasional track day. So I've got a body kit planned for it: wheels, coilovers, front lip, side skirt, big wing, tail lights, headlights, bumper splitters. They're kind of like bumper spats. I don't know exactly what you call them. LED spars, tire letters. I love tire letters. I think they're so sick. Wrap exhaust, powder coat the calipers. I'm not super sure on this one yet. I'm gonna write a little question mark right there, because I'm not certain on this one. I do like my red calipers. I've been thinking of a different color though. These are the things I'm gonna need for all this stuff right here. So like for the wide body, I'm gonna need the hardware, and then for the wheels, I'm gonna need the tires. I'm also maybe gonna need spacers depending on how everything fits together. But that being said, with the Porsche uses lug bolts, so I'm gonna have to get some sort of tuner style lug bolts to make those spacers work. So it kind of looks like that stock, and then like the tuner lug bolt kind of has like this cone kind of look to it, like that. So that's the style I'm gonna need if I end up running spacers with it. I definitely want to ceramic coat the wheels because winter's coming around the corner and I don't want the wheels to get wrecked from the salt. Because in Utah, the salt definitely eats everything and it causes a lot of problems. So I really want to avoid all of that, and then I need to paint match the body kit. So up here in the maybes, these are pretty much things that I really want to do down the road, but don't necessarily need at the moment. But the biggest thing in the maybes list is getting a turbo kit and adding boost. That would be insane. That would be the craziest thing ever. There's only one turbo kit that's out for this car, and it's a really old turbo kit, and I'm not sure how all that's gonna work. Maybe there's some sort of different kit out there, but I'm not sure yet. So I need to look more into that, but that's kind of the last thing on the list. I want to do everything else first. So I've marked off over here some checks with some of the things I've already done. I already wrapped the car, but the plan is with the body kit to get the body kit paint matched and then wrap over the body kit, so that way when I pull off the wrap, everything will be paint matched, and then I won't have to go through the whole process of redoing that. And then I already got LED spars, I already got tail lights. So anyways, you guys kind of get the whole gist of things. I still pretty much need to do everything on the list except those things I already mentioned, but there's two other things on this list that I have already got and I have already unboxed, and that is the body kit and the wheels. It's not necessarily a body kit, but you guys will see. So let's get to unboxing the body kit and the wheels in 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? So today the wheels for the Cayman showed up on my doorstep today. I'm so excited to finally get these. It took 2 months to get them after I ordered them because they were a custom build. I decided to go with a 19 by 12 in the rear and then a 19 by 10 in the front. Inside of this box that I received last week has a body kit in it, and in just a moment I'm going to open it up so you guys can see what is inside. But before I get to the body kit, I want to unbox these and see how these look. You ready? You want to see them? Oh my gosh, look at those. Holy crap. Those are so sick. That color is insane.
That is so pretty.
Those are gonna look insane on the car. So the stock color of my car is a dark charcoal gray, and this bronze is really gonna go together with it really well. Holy crap. Those are huge. Those are monsters.
Are they wide enough for you?
Yeah, I think they're plenty wide. They literally look like candy. So there's the height difference. Honestly, doesn't look that much bigger. It's still a difference of 2 inches. That is crazy. Look at that concave. Oh, these are gonna look so sick. Alright, so there you guys have it. I got flares for the Porsche. These are Getty designed flares. So I got the flares for the back and then also flares for the front. The flares for the front are basically OEM GT3RS flares. And it comes with the side marker delete too. Sweet. Alright, so there you have it, guys. That is my unboxing for the flares and also the wheels, and I'm so excited to put it all together. Here's to building the Cayman. I've been so anxious to build a 987 Cayman. It's always been one of my favorite cars. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you next time. Deuces.